Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Thank you for watching my first video. If you did, if not, go check out my first YouTube video. The video was a little rough. I honestly wanted just to put a video out there to break the ice with me being on camera and stuff on YouTube. The video is like it's up there. I am currently driving this Saab right now. I'm driving it. I'll show you guys. I'm driving this Saab right now, and it's 4:45. I'll show you guys. I just got off work right now. I'm headed back home. The Saab is very good. Everything is good. No check engine lights, nothing. Only thing is, as far as like driving the car, the suspension is a little stiff. It's a little bit stiff. I don't know why. Because I've driven like other Saab models before with 9.3s. I've driven other Saab 9.3 models, and the suspension was good. But this one, it's a little stiff. I don't know. I think it's because the car was sitting for a while, for a year. And other thing is the transmission is shifting very rough going into reverse and drive, or driving reverse. It's like the car's like shaking or kicking hard. I'm not sure why, but I think it's the transmission fluid also. The car only has 46,000 miles. So I'm not sure. I don't think it's the transmission that has issues. Other than that, everything on the car is perfect. Alright, so my next build project is actually covered up in snow. And it's right there. It's all covered up in snow, but it's right here. It's a 2013 Infiniti G37X, all-wheel drive. It's loaded and everything. All black interior. The leather is in good condition. She always laughing when I say hella cool. She tell me be yourself. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you guys more once I pull it up in the garage. In the back seats, it's just a bunch of like extra parts. But the other side is like this. The passenger side was okay. There was actually a headlight right there in perfect condition. And then this side, the driver's side was also hit a little bit, but the hood and everything was good. It was hit more towards like the bottom area. The car was hit more towards the bottom, so try and focus. Let me see. There, you can see it. I want to cut off the parts, Infiniti, and then weld it. It's the motor support or undercarriage, whatever y'all call it. The whole thing was straight, except for those little parts just sticking out. This little part here goes all across to the other side. It's only there to protect under the radiator and condenser and stuff. So I'm going to cut it off the parts, Infiniti, and then weld it on this one. Earlier in the video when I said new project car, I've actually had this car for like since last winter, March I think. So the front part was actually on a frame machine, but I just never filmed it because I wasn't doing our YouTube videos and stuff. And I actually have my next two project cars. I had them, This is not one of them, but it's one of the cars that I need to work on. It's a 2002 E46 330Xi. I bought it off Copart. He said it the car didn't start, so I just took a chance. And when the car got here, it needed a whole new engine. I think I'm looking for anything under 70,000 miles for an engine. This is the Parts Infiniti G37. It's a 2012, exact same color, same interior. Let me show you guys. Exact same interior, except this shit got airbags that deploy. And this one was hit on the passenger driver side. Like the whole tire came off. Like literally, like the whole tire flew off the car. Yeah, here I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Yeah, this bar right here, this bar over here going across here is the one that I'm going to cut this one off here and weld it on the other one. Oh, FYI, the 2013 Infiniti G37 has a 43,000 miles on it. And this is my over here. It's my Parts E46 BMW. That's the engine for it. It's actually supposed to be covered up with this bag. I don't know. Somebody must have given me to the shit off. There. But anyway, here my E46 for parts. The whole engine is out. I dropped the whole thing out. My brother got an accident with it here. Probably he was texting and driving and shit. But he made it out though. Once I'm done with the Infiniti, I'm going to work on this one here. It's another E46 salvage. Only thing wrong with it is right here. I think I'll fix it instead of like cutting it off and replacing the whole quarter panel, which from the trunk. Also, that area here. It's trying to focus. It's not trying to focus, but there's one more car that I need to show you guys. It's called the shit out here.
Trying to run the summer, you feel the karma. Hit up, caffeine in my body. Caffeine in my body.
Alright, so this over here is the BMW that needs a whole transmission.
I'm a beast, I'm a dog, I'm a I don't even smoke, but I wrote that 5 for you. Wrote a 5 for you. Said I don't even smoke.
I bought it from my little brother, and then he drove for literally only 3 days, and then the transmission just gave up on him. I replaced the transmission that I took out of the parts. Well, can't see from here. Out of the parts E46, and it was doing exactly the same thing. So I don't think it's the transmission that's dead. It's something different. Well, I want to sell this car on Copart to try to get my money back, and I'm about to show you guys my daily driver. I hate this shit.
You gotta be to really take what you imagine and make it all happen. Now they y'all blasting my shit, rapping my, blasting my shit.
It's a 2013 Kia Sorento. I think it's the EX front wheel drive. But it's 4:47 right now. Not sure if you can see it. I live in upstate New York, and it's like by like 4 p.m. it starts to get dark in the winter time. So that's why it's dark out here. And as you can see, it also started snowing a little bit. But over here is my 2013 Infiniti G37X I'll be working on. In the next video, I want to mount the car on the frame machine and then start cutting the quarter panel off and getting the back glass off. And then I'll catch you guys on the flip side after that. Peace.